What's up, everyone? Spencer Sue here, your tech realtor of the Bay Area. Do you want to buy a rental property easily? Let me introduce you to Roofstock. Based in Oakland, California, Roofstock has raised $50 million earlier this year for a total of $133 million. They started their business in 2016 and have become a great option for people to be exposed to the world of owning single-family rentals throughout the US. So what do they actually do? They are a platform where buyers can purchase properties from sellers directly. They have done over $2 billion in completed transactions today. So what's special about them? They make it really simple to see available properties that are potential homes to purchase in over 70 markets. They show you the financial projections, and the homes are typically already being rented out to generate income, minimizing the need to find a new tenant to start cash flowing. They also showcase information about the area, which is very helpful for those that are not familiar with the location itself. What are things to be aware of? Let's analyze their business model. They take 2.5% from the sell side and 0.5% from the buy side. If they have done over $2 billion in transactions, they generate about $60 million in revenue over the last 4 years, which is absolutely no small feat. However, they also raised a total of $133 million. So where is all that money actually going? The cost of the platform isn't that complex, but it must be a huge cost to market for people to come to the platform to buy investment properties, but also to attract sellers to sell here instead of selling through the traditional route, which is using a realtor. Their client acquisition cost must be pretty crazy out there. What they are doing here isn't actually unique for those that are familiar with this business model. They are basically a massive online turnkey provider, which proposes an easy solution for investors that want exposure to rentals out of the area. However, you do want to be very careful with all of their projections. It's really convenient for investors to be able to see all these properties, but how good are these properties really? Take a look at this. Even in a high appreciation market like the Bay Area, which does between 5 to 6% a year on average over the last 40 years, this little town in Texas is projecting 4.4%, which is really aggressive. If you did the math of the Bay Area, the last 10 years, most properties went between 9 to 12% a year. So it'd be very aggressive if you put it at 9 to 12% too for your baseline averages. So be very careful with these future projections. Now, if you connect with local turnkey providers that don't have this kind of marketing budget, you may actually get much better deals with much more meat on the bone. Now, the benefit of Roofstock is that they are a big brand, so familiarity may help get you started into this space. But to keep building up your rental portfolio, that might be a different matter altogether. So my summary, if you're looking to get your foot into the door of investing in out of state, this is a great option as it's a big brand that simplifies the process. However, if you want better returns, it may be better to connect and compare with some local providers that would not have this kind of same premium on homes. You can simply Google turnkey provider in the city that you're looking for, or you can look up Bigger Pockets and check out the forums, and then you can reach out to people there. So what do you think? Is this an option that you would consider? Leave it in the comments below with your thoughts. And if you would just buy a home yourself and do your own renovations, or would you go through a turnkey provider like a Roofstock? I hope you enjoyed my latest Proptech Talk Thursday show. If you have any questions about Roofstock or want to talk about your home buying or selling journey here in the Bay Area, let's talk anytime. I'm never too busy to have a private conversation and share how I can help you every step of the way. I always read every single comment and message to me, and you'll get a response within the same day. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and click on the little bell. You'll be notified every time I release a new video. Share this video with your friends. If you know of an interesting company that I should provide my thoughts on, or an executive within a prop tech company that I should interview, let me know that too. Thanks for tuning in. Engineering a better life today. Thanks for making it to the very end of my YouTube video. If you like the content, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that little bell as well, since it'll give you notifications of when my next episode is. If you know of anyone that is considering to buy or sell a home here in the Bay Area, I'm never too busy to help more people. Always welcome to have a conversation, regardless if you're ready to go right now or if you wanted to buy 5 years later. Click on that calendar link and then you'll be able to book an appointment with me and love to have a conversation about your situation. In the meantime, I also do have a monthly newsletter, so feel free to hit that link below, and then you'll be able to get my updates, personal updates that I write once a month in terms of what is going on with the market and some of my latest activities. Hope to see you at the next one. Thank you.